Thank you guys for clicking on yet another video from Skyway Classics here in Palmetto, Florida. You can see we have a beautiful black 1936 Ford here, and just check out that grille. Look at how shiny that chrome is, as well as that front bumper. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Starts right up, that strong flathead V8 that it has in it. It's definitely a neck turner. It does have the suicide rear doors. We'll show you that just in a few seconds as we dive into that interior. That spare tire in the back there. Also the rear chrome bumper here in perfect condition. No pitting. The white wall tires accent this black and the green striped car perfectly. Even has that green V8 accent there on the wheel. You can see that green pinstripe. So hang around for the rest of the video. We'll dive in the interior. We'll throw it up on the lift so you guys can see the undercarriage. We'll have it running for you guys, and we'll also take you along for a little test drive. So go ahead and stick around. All right, we have the driver side door open. You can see the door latch and then the window crank there. And then as we make our way inside the car, you can see the bench seat there, that little tear there, also there in the corner. But other than that, this thing is gorgeous inside. That red dashboard, speedometer there with the miles. It is a 3-speed, so you'll see that manual. The headliner. Let's go ahead and open up this back door here. You can see as the suicide doors, as mentioned. The rear bench seat, the carpets, all in great condition. We'll make our way back up front. You can see the starter there between the brake and the clutch. You depress that and you turn that switch here to on to get it to start. You'll see that right as soon as I get into the car to test drive it. So let's go ahead, let's do that right now. Before we go on the test drive, I did say we'd have it up in the air. And right now, you can see the undercarriage here. This is the driver's side front and the passenger front. And then as we make our way to the back, you can see just some mild surface rust there. Glass pack. Back axle here. And those brakes. This is the passenger side. And as we're underneath the gas tank here, you can see there. And again, let's look at the chrome. You can see, guys, that is just beautiful. Let's take a walk around the driver's side. You can see lower underneath the doors and stuff. Wheel wells, it's pretty black. And then the front bumper here, also in beautiful, beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and run around the passenger side before we get it back on the ground. And there you have it. So let's go ahead, we'll get this thing on the ground and take you guys along for a little test drive. All right, we are in the car. It is running. I do want to show you guys that little knob there is how it starts. With that little switch there turned to on. And for sake of keeping it easy while driving with one hand, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Up until left is reverse, so we're gonna start in first here, left and down. And give it a little gas, let off the clutch a little bit, and we're rolling. And it does make very smooth shifts. They're in second gear right now. Let's go ahead, turn it to third. And just like that, we are cruising. Flathead V8 does have some good power. So I'll go ahead, pull this thing on the lift for you guys so you can see the undercarriage before we have the last few segments. Finally have it parked and running. You can see that flathead V8 in there. Just purring away. We'll go ahead and go to the other side here. Absolutely purring. Let's go ahead and walk around back so you can hear it a little bit at idle. The iconic flathead sound. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You can check this car out on our website at skywayclassics.com. We'll have the link in the description below. Please like, comment. You know, we'll take any criticism that you guys give us to try and make our videos a little better for you guys. Thanks for watching.